All right, everybody, what we're going to talk about real fast is uploading documentation to your public portal. By now, you all should have received your CPR cards, and the next step that we need to do is to get those CPR cards digitally uploaded to your public portal. So what we need to do is direct your web browser to right here, aremslicense.adh.arkansas.gov. That'll bring you to your public portal, which you should have set up, and you all did set up at the beginning of class. Go ahead and log in, and as you remember, I've mentioned several times that you need to make sure that you have your password at least written down somewhere so that you can be able to get into this. Now, the public portal is kind of slow, so sometimes we'll have a delay in this. This is what you're going to look like when we get to our landing page, which once we're logged in. And what we need to do then is go under My Account to Documents. And we'll let that load. And what we see here is there is a litany of things that I've already loaded up onto my portal. So what we'll do is we'll just do a test run on a load. So we'll come over here to upload a document. We'll click that. We want to name whatever that document is. What we're going to do for you is we're going to call that AHA BLS. Type in a description. Your BLS card expires whenever it expires. And then you'll go to Choose File. Choose File will bring up anything. We're going to pick this particular document. You, of course, will upload your saved CPR card, and you should save that as a PDF or something along those lines. Come down to your document type. What we're going to do is come down, and it is a CPR card. And then you're not going to do anything right here. It's going to say attach to the user core record, and then you're going to hit upload. Okay, once that happens, you will be able to see under your documents where you have your CPR card. So for example, here is one of my cards, which is the back half of my BLS instructor card. You should be able to see that. Now your cards are digital, so it's only going to be that one diploma style frame. That's perfectly fine. Just make sure that's uploaded, and these need to be uploaded no later than Friday afternoon by 5 o'clock.